Hey guys, this is Tim from Tim's Electronics Lab and welcome back to another video regarding the Windmill generator. I received a few packages this week. Besides the linear axis that I already received, I also received the magnets and the ball bearings. So we're going to try to install them. Let's see if there's some. I think here. You can cut it open. Now, I'm not sure which one of the two this is. I think these are the magnets because the other one is rather flat. Be careful. Inside a very well package inside a package, and my knife has troubles. That's better. I used microwave foil of some kind for that. Yeah, these are the magnets. Oh, there's yeah, that wasn't really well. There, I think 12 neodymium magnets, or even more, and I only need a few. They're going into the slots inside the stator. I think this is called the stator. They should go in here, like this. But I think it needs a little bit of tweaking here and there, which is okay. Yeah, they're strong. That's good. That's really good. Ooh, this is magnetic. And another one. So these should be the bearings. They are. I can see a lot of grease inside this cap. Let's close it off and let's check. I think one should go in here. I think another one should go in here. Looks like an easy fit for that. But the main question, will it fit around? Yes, they do. They do fit around the axis. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. So I suggest we install them. Yeah. So basically, it is the places where I said they would go. We need bearings. So let's just place them. I think this one needs a little bit of tweaking. I'm thinking to maybe put the linear axis inside a freezer. Let me check. Oop. Because this is not. Oh, this is going to fit inside here, but it's not going to fit inside here. We need to enlarge that hole. Autofocus. Once again, bearing should go inside here. Let's first try this one. This won't fit at all. I'm wondering, how is the bearing able to go in here. And it needs to be screwed down. No bearing for this one, but there is a bearing in here. I think if we get it straight, it should just go in. No, it doesn't. It doesn't. Let's scrape out some of the bits with my knife. That's the advantage of the layers you have when you're printing. You can just scrape one layer off with a knife very easy. I need to find something that I can hit it with, I think. Whilst keeping it straight, which is a bit of a challenge. But we like challenges. Oh, there you go. Now I really need to use something to hit it. Because I don't think it's supposed to stick out that much. Hope I don't ruin the bearing, of course. Would be a shame. There goes the camera. I think that's a pretty good fit, actually. It's not completely straight. But I don't think that doesn't matter that much. So one bearing in. Now the other one. Goes in there. Oh, that one goes a little bit easier. Cool. That's two bearings in, and that's really, really nice. It spins, which is, of course, the main idea of a bearing. Now we need to enlarge these holes a little bit, because last time they weren't fitting and I broke the inside of the stator, as you can see. Yeah, check. This is 4 millimeters. I think I'll need 4.5. for this. But it should work, this. It's a long process, but it should work. It's almost there. Hey, there you go. Nice. That's really nice. We've got our stator with the linear axis in place. Check if it's straight. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Now, of course, the magnets, they need to be facing the opposite side. So north, south, north, south, north, south. I think it's easier. Push it to the bottom. Let's see. So this attracts. I think we need the reference magnet for this. They're so tiny that this pushes and pulls at the same time. Really strange. So yeah, that's not magnetic. And that's good. Because it's supposed to be aluminum. And I think we need to glue that in place. Yeah, this is equal sides. So now let's go on like this, install the magnets. Inside the stator. Be very gentle, because you don't want the stator, the magnet mounts to break. Ooh. Well, this one's a little bit damaged. Ooh, so the magnetic field of the neodymium magnet pack is really strong. Ooh. Ah, shit. Put it in straight, then it should go. There you go. It clicks in place. I'm not sure what that is, but it's great. If I'm doing it right. Yeah, this is, yeah, should work. So 2 to go. And I'm curious what happens if we put the windings in there and rotate the axis by hand, because we should see a voltage being generated. Ooh. I don't think that should happen. This. All right. Let's check. It rotates pretty okay, I think. Let's attach the scope probes and see what we get on the scope. So I connected them and you can see that something is happening, but I don't think it's enough to generate electricity. What also annoys me is that it doesn't close very nice. You know, we're at the 100 millivolt range, so we're not even close to actually pulling electricity from the thing. So I think I maybe need a few more windings. or I haven't put in the magnets properly. I've got my thoughts about the placement of the magnet, because when I put a magnet here, this attracts, this one does too, and now it starts to push. So check if I can remove them easily. Yeah, I think I can. Now the final one. There you go. All magnets are removed. Nice and clean again. Yeah, it's basically just north, south, north, south, north, south. So, something like that. Then grab this one, flip it. Thanks. Yeah, this feels much better, because now I can really feel the magnetic field of the. You can see it in my finger. When I try to hold it stable. The magnetic field is alternating right now. So let's power up the scope one more time. Oh, yes, 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 yes. You really gotta see this. Look. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. This is cool. And if we do a measure of channel 2, and we want the peak, maximum, minimum, amplitude, RMS, clear, current. We get a maximum of 0.3 volts. An RMS of 113. But yeah, you know, I'm not rotating that quickly because I can't, because I'm a human. But this is really cool. That's channel 2. Now I think I'm going to connect the third one to check if the waves on the third one are even bigger. And maybe the coupling. Oh, no, it's both AC or DC. Oh, wrong color. You know, it doesn't matter for the probe, but it's always the colors aren't there for no reason. Alright, so connect them to the common ground. And the last put them a little bit up. Just to 100 millivolt range. And I want my measure to go on channel 3. Oh, that's really cool. So 0.4 volts. But the thing is, come on camera, hey. The thing is, all the phases are going into the same rectifier. So they get doubled up. And I'm not liking that sound of something rubbing against something else, but yeah. This is cool, this is really cool. Alright, let me fix the top, this part, and attach a drill to it. The idea of this is to go on here and fit inside the grooves, but currently it's not able to. Let's grab a drill. So the drill's attached, as you can see. This is not rotating freely, but this is. And the scope's booting up, so let's give it a try. So trying to start off very slow. In the lowest gear it has. That's too slow. A little bit faster. Right, fastest. So for 0.4 volt at max, which is okay. I'd hoped for a little bit more, but oh, this one is at, let's switch those to 2 as well. That's cool. Still clear it. Come on. Oh no, I cleared all my statistics. Oh, it was on channel 2. Still on channel 2. So 0.5 volts almost. That's cool. Maybe this gets it. And the other side. Oh, that's cool. Oh, the thing came loose. Nice. So the generator is working, and we'll see how the generation part goes. So thanks for watching this video about wind generation, wind energy generation. I'm going to look into onto some websites about why I don't get the power. You know, I think there's one thing. I used copper winding and copper wire with a very thin diameter. I think it's less than half of the diameter that they used on the website. So maybe that is an issue, but I do think that 0.5 volts is a little bit too less. So maybe I'm not attaching the windings properly. You know, it's a new thing for me as well. So if you've got any idea, please let me know in the comments down below, and I will try it. I will continue to print the wings for the thing, because yeah, eventually it needs to have propellers and wings in order to get the motor to move. I'll see if I can fix this sound that it makes, because that's wasted energy, of course. And yeah, I think I'll see you in the next video. Alright, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye! Thanks for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like. Make sure to leave a comment down below. You can also share this video with your friends if you think they will like it too. See you next time.